Hey guys, it's me, Ears, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this Pat paper squishy that I love so much because it's really slow rising, and I know it says like this on the back. I'm going to be telling you how I made this. I might make it for you guys, but who knows. So what I made this out of is a garbage bag. And then I just duct tape it. It says H Squishy, like my brand and stuff, and Pat Squish, like a squishy. But yeah, so I made this by using a garbage bag. I crumbled it up into a ball, the size that it would be okay for this. And I know it's like this on the sides, but that's okay. It's just slow rising, and I like it a lot. But then after I got it all up into a ball, I duct taped it until I could see no white parts of the garbage bag anymore. And you're gonna want to use black duct tape unless you don't want to make a decoration like this. You could get like some colorful tape or something and have it like that. But after that, I drew out a Pat sheet. This is the first one that I tried. It didn't come out as well. And then the second try, I came out with this one, and I think it came out much better. But yeah. But yeah. So since I showed you that, I think I'm gonna do a little chat with you guys and a know where and know how. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first things that I have is all this stuff from Claire's. So I have a small bag from Claire's, and inside it, and I actually have 17 actual squishies. They are these adorable French fry squishy earrings, and yes, I have worn them already. You can get these at Claire's for $6 freaking. Are you serious? And they're for sensitive ears, and this ear is sensitive because the doctor had pierced it too low when I was a baby. And so the second thing are these adorable shades for the spring and the summer that I have. And the last thing from Claire's is this adorable headband that I love, and I wear to church all the time. Yeah. And then the next thing that I have is this amazing, like, galaxy-ish, unicornish water bottle. And I really like it. I got it at home, the store at home, if you know what that is. And they have like a bunch of cute water bottles and like tumbler stuff and like all that. I love it. I especially love their bed sets. They had this they had set up a whole tumbler bed set room, and I was shook. But yeah. And so one of the last things is this, my Betsey Johnson purse. I got this at Belk at the mall. And fun fact, you know how these speakers are right here? You can actually plug your phone up, put it inside your phone, and listen to music. That's amazing, right? But yeah, guys, so that is all for today. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up. And please comment down below if you have squishies or if you have made your own DIY squishy. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time.